Hi mga palangga and welcome sa ating YouTube channel. This is Tinay TV. This video mga palangga ay nandito kami sa Luhas Falls. So ayan, nagpe-prepare kami ng aming lunch at hindi na namin na-videohan. So ang ulam namin for today ay pinakuloang okra, labanos na may dilis, at saka yung adobo ni Inday Ann. Kasama ko nga pala dito si Inday Ann at saka si Rofa. Si Rofa po ay matagal nang hindi kami nagkita. Almost a year na. So ngayon lang kami ulit nagkita, and sa pagkikita namin ay may bad news. So ayun na nga. Yun na nga yung bad news. Yun na yun. Kami lang ang kakaalam. So, syempre, namimiss ko rin sila and hindi mawawala yung bardagulan. Kung ano kami nung dati na nagkakilala, hanggang ngayon ganun pa rin kami. Bahala na ang pikon. So, walang pikon sa amin. Kaya, feel free magbardagulan. Kami yung magkakaibigan na hindi nag-uusap everyday. Walang ang kamustahan eh. Ayun lang. Pag may ganito na mag-meet up, i-chat ka lang kung free ka, kung pwede ka. So ayan nga, at dahil ay free tayo, nakipagkita tayo sa kanila and nagbanding na rin kami dito sa may Luhas Falls. So napakagandang lugar ito para sa banding namin. So, wala pa rin pagbabago guys. Kung ano kami yung dati, ganun pa rin kami ngayon. Kahit nga limited lang yung communication namin. But still, walang nagbabago. Kami at kami pa rin yun. At yun na nga, matagal matapos ang pag-prepare naman kasi mas marami pa yung chismis kaysa sa ginagawa namin. So, yun na nga. Still, prepare pa rin. Naka-prepare pa rin. At ito na nga, oras na ng kainan. So, ayan. Kumain na kaming tatlo and para may lakas. Actually, ang aga pa namin, yung lunch namin. And, ayan guys. Sobrang ganda ng pwesto namin kasi, ayan, habang kumakain kami, andyan makikita niyo yung falls. May mga magagandang model sa likod. So, ayan, nakita niyo yan. Napakagandang banding naming tatlo. Ang ganda lang kasi ng samahan na ganito kasi kahit na magbardagulan kami, walang pikon sa amin. Kumbaga, lahat kami ay nag-e-enjoy. Kumbaga, nakisabay sa trip ng bawat isa. Wala pong OA sa amin. Walang pikon. Kaya, sa lahat ng trip, support kami, nakikisabay kami. So, ito yung kagandahan sa samahan namin. At this moment guys, so ayan na, habang kumakain na kami, nag-open na kami about sa mga life namin, kung ano yung mga kaganapan, and sharing ika nga sa mga pangyayari sa buhay namin. So mas lalong napapahaba yung kain namin kasi may sabay na kwentuhan. So ayan, tuloy-tuloy lang ang kwentuhan namin guys, and sobrang haba. Ayan na, walang hinto.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
to Inday and Rofa, thank you so much sa friendship. And ikikip ko ang friendship na to, and kumbaga ikitreasure ko pa. Thank you so much, and love you both.